If you are attending your first fitness yoga class, there are a few things you can expect and some tips to help you prepare. Arrive early. It's always a good idea to arrive a few minutes early so you can set up your mat and get settled in before class starts. This will also give you a chance to chat with the instructor if you have any questions or concerns. Wear comfortable clothes. You will want to wear clothes that allow you to move freely and comfortably. Avoid anything too tight or restrictive. Bring a yoga mat. Listen to your body. Remember that yoga is a non-competitive practice, so it is important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard. If a pose does not feel right, do not force it. Stay hydrated. Be open-minded. Yoga is a practice that can be challenging both physically and mentally. Keep an open mind and be willing to try new things. During the class, the instructor will guide you through a series of poses and movements designed to improve strength, flexibility, and balance. You may also focus on breathing techniques and mindfulness. Remember to take things at your own pace and do not be afraid to ask the instructor for modifications or adjustments if you need them. Fitness yoga classes are a great way to improve your physical fitness while also practicing the mindfulness and relaxation techniques of traditional yoga. Here are some things to consider when looking for a fitness yoga class. Level. Look for a class that is appropriate for your skill level. If you are a beginner, start with a class labeled as introductory, beginner, or gentle. If you have more experience, you may want to try a more advanced class. Style. There are many different styles of yoga, each with their own focus and approach. Some styles are more intense and physically challenging, while others are more gentle and focused on relaxation. Consider what you are looking to get out of your yoga practice and choose a style that aligns with your goals. Instructor. Look for an instructor who is experienced and knowledgeable, with a teaching style that resonates with you. You may want to read reviews or ask for recommendations from friends or family. Location. Consider the location of the studio or gym where the class is held and choose a convenient location that you can easily get to. Schedule. Look for a class that fits into your schedule, whether that is early morning, lunchtime, or evening. Amenities. Some yoga studios or gyms may offer additional amenities such as showers or lockers that can make your experience more comfortable